Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use math notes in iPhone in iOS 18. So guys, if you have updated your device to the latest version, that is iOS 18, and you want to enjoy this feature that is math notes, here I will show you how can you use it on your device in iOS 18. So guys, this is very basic and simple. First of all, you have to simply close all the windows, and then you must be having Notes app in your device as well as Calculator app in your device as well. So guys, simply download and install the Notes app and the Calculator app in your device, and after this you have to simply open your calculator, and once you go to your calculator, you have to simply tap on this calculator button again. So guys, here you can see this, tap on this, and then you have to simply tap on math notes. So guys, here you can see math notes, and then you have to tap on this edit button, and then you have to tap on this pencil icon, and then you can use math notes. Here you can solve any equations on this calculator or math notes app. So guys, here you can see this. If I write 2 plus 2, then equal button, then the answer will appear here. So guys, I am writing this again, 2 plus 2 equals, and here you can see this, the answer appears on the screen. So guys, in this way you can also use math notes in your device in iOS 18. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.